Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to withdraw money from Draftkings to Cash App. Open your web browser or Draftkings mobile app and log into your Draftkings account. Once logged in, find the withdrawal or cash out section. This is usually located in your account settings or dashboard. In the withdrawal section, select cash or bank transfer as your withdrawal method. You may need to link your bank account or provide banking details if you haven't done so already. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from your Draftkings account. Make sure it is within your available balance. Double check the withdrawal details, including the withdrawal amount and the bank account linked to your Draftkings account. Once you are sure everything is correct, initiate the withdrawal process. Draftkings may ask you to confirm your withdrawal request via email or SMS. After you have successfully initiated withdrawal, wait for the funds to be processed and transferred to your linked bank account. This usually takes a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can transfer them to your Cash App. Open Cash App and navigate to the Balance tab. Tap on Cash Out and then select Standard or Instant, depending on your preference and the associated fees. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account to Cash App. Confirm the transfer and follow any additional prompts or authentication steps required by your bank and Cash App. After the transfer is complete, you should see the funds reflected in your Cash App balance. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.